In this video, we'll guide you through how to install Middle TV. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now first, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. So in my case, I'm going to go with Google Chrome. And now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Middle and hit enter. Now go inside the official Middle website and then click on download Middle. And now your setup exe file will start downloading, so just wait for it to finish downloading. And now just go ahead and click on the setup exe file that you just downloaded and wait for the setup wizard to appear. And now as you can see, it is saying preparing to install, so just be patient and wait for the process to complete automatically. And now after installation, your Middle should open automatically. So I'm just gonna close this, and now you should confirm your age. So just go ahead and add your age in month and day and year. So I'm just gonna add my year, and after that just click on confirm. And now if you are using Middle for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your account. So just go ahead and sign in with your account. And once you are inside Middle, click on the settings in the bottom left corner of the application. And here just go ahead and go to clip settings. Here you can choose how much gameplay Middle saves when you press your clip hotkey. For example, you can just click on the drop down and set it to something like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or any time that you want. A shorter clip length uses less storage, while longer clip capture more gameplay. Now choose your clipping hotkey. This is the key that you will press whenever something interesting happens and you want to save a clip. You can use the default hotkey or click on it to assign a new hotkey. So I'm just gonna leave it at default. If you scroll down, you will also see long recording. This allows Middle to record your entire game session from start to finish. You can enable this if you want longer recording instead of short clip, and then here is your hotkey, which is going to be Alt and F7. After that, at the left hand side, open the quality section. Here you can select the recording quality. For most user, high quality is a good balance between video quality and storage uses. If you have plenty of storage space and a powerful computer, you can even choose higher or custom one if available. Now look at the video encoder settings. If you have a dedicated graphics card, you can just go ahead and select the GPU encoder and then just select your GPU. Just click on the drop down and select your GPU here. Using your GPU for recording usually provides better performance and reduces load on your processor while gaming. Now let's move to the audio section. Just go to the audio, and here you can choose whether Middle records all the PC audio or only game audio. If you want Discord call, music, or other sound included, just click on the drop down and make sure all PC audio is selected from here. If you want only the game sound, you can just click on the drop down and click on specific apps, and you can choose your app. Let's say you only want the audio from Discord, just select your Discord, and only the audio coming from your Discord will be recorded. So I'm just going to leave it at all PC audio. Once you have finished adjusting your settings, you are ready to start recording clips. And that's it. That's how you install and set up Middle TV. If you find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.